I just stayed at the Hyatt Regency in Long Beach, California. It's right next to the convention center, but it's also right next to the harbor and is very close to the Carnival cruise port and the Queen Mary. That's normally where I stay before a cruise, but on this occasion, I thought I'd try something different. Hyatt Regency is a big hotel, 17 stories, and a large lobby with plenty of seating. If you just want to hang out, drink a coffee, relax, or even work, you can do it here. In terms of food and drink, there is not a full-service restaurant, but there is this self-service cafe, and there is also a full bar. You can get food up until 11 p.m. at night, which is great, and the prices, because it's self-service, are reasonably good. So you've got things like pizzas, sandwiches, salads, and rice bowls available. On top of that, there's a grab-and-go section, which is open 24 hours a day, and it's a wide selection of food and drinks and essential items, and even ice cream available. You'll find pre-made sandwiches, salads, and other items, lots of which are gluten-free, in this chiller. And there's a selection of alcohol and non-alcoholic drinks, which you can take up to your room. You can get a traditional cooked breakfast, but they also have a selection of pastries and yogurts and things for the morning. Alternatively, if you want the full breakfast buffet, that's offered on weekends. It's $28 for an adult. It's half that for kids aged 5 to 12, so that's $14 a head, and kids under 5 years old can eat free. I didn't try the buffet myself, but I did have a look around, and as you can see, it's got the typical selection of cereals, fruit. It's also got waffle maker, and of course they have a selection of pastries as well. There's a toaster with different breads available, and yes, the usual cooked items too right at the start. There's a selection of tea, coffee, as well as juices that you can help yourself to. The buffet is actually right next to the pool area, which is outside on the ground floor. Really nice pool with a large in-ground hot tub. There's also some seating, so you can take your food and eat outside. And if you want to splurge, you can get one of, I think, 4 or 5 cabanas on offer. Those go for up to $300 per day. Well, before I show you the room, just wanted to quickly point out there is this pharmacy vending machine in the lobby. I stayed on the 14th floor, and as you step out of the elevator, this is the view on one side to the city, and the other side it's the convention center, the arena, with the beach beyond. Half the rooms will have that view on one side. The other ones, like the one I booked, have a harbor view, but if you didn't book one of those, you can walk to the end of the hallway and get this amazing view of the harbor and the cruise port. And this is the room I stayed in. It's a harbor view on a high floor, so you do pay a little bit more for that. And this does come with 2 queens, but you can also get the same room with a king bed instead. I love the 2 comfortable chairs to sit on, which was great. And as well as that, there was a desk area, a mini fridge, and a huge TV. You can make tea and coffee in the room, that's complimentary. And as well as that, there are 2 bottles of water per day as part of your destination fee. Each bed has its own light, and there's tons of outlets on both sides, including some USBs. As well as that, there's a Bluetooth alarm clock. And there's also a magnetic charging stand to charge both your phone and an Apple Watch. Next to the bathroom, we've got a large closet with a really large safe, big enough for a laptop. And the bathroom is opposite that. It's really nice, very modern, clean design, good lighting, as well as a backlit mirror. I was really impressed with the very thick and fluffy towels that were in the room. There's also a body lotion provided here on the wall. Opposite, we've got the bath and the shower, and like most hotel bathrooms, it's not a deep soaking tub. But the shower was pretty good, and I appreciated the supplied body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. We both had a good night's sleep and woke up to this view just before sunrise of the Carnival cruise port and the Queen Mary looking splendid beside her. Later in the day, we saw this water cannon salute from the fireboat in the harbour. I think it was doing this for the runners in the Long Beach Marathon. I'm based in Las Vegas, so I sail out of Long Beach and Los Angeles frequently. If you want to see more of my cruise review videos, check out these 2 here. And please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Scott, and this is my channel, Let's All Cruise.